going to do a quick review on Glad Snack Collation bags. You get 4 of them in a box. Well, this box has got 4 of them in there. It's got Star Wars design. The box I've got here. This is what they look like. Obviously, they can't probably hold too much on. But if you got small kids and traveling somewhere, you want, or just running errands, you want to have them a little snack to eat on, it'd be a good thing to use. These are a good thing to use. You can put peanuts, grapes, raisins, whatever you want to have for the kid to snack on. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but baby's whining upstairs. We need to take her to the vet to find out what's going on. I done gave her food and water. We don't know what's causing her to whine, but there she is right now. So we'll have to take her to the vet. We'll have to take her to the vet the next few days. Have her looked at. These are pretty little good bags, like I said, or especially if you got kids, small kids, and you're traveling or running errands or something. You want to have a little snack in the car before and to eat on. You can fill these up with them. Peanuts, grapes, raisins, whatever you want the kids to have snack on. They're also good if you want to store household items, or if you're traveling on airplanes and stuff like that, if you want to put toothpaste or different things in it, or little small bottles of shampoo or something, so it won't get all over your stuff in your bag, okay, I'm gonna have to check on her when I get off here and get this done. If you want, keep your toothpaste and different things from getting all over your stuff in your suitcase. This would be a good thing to keep them in. You're into hiking and backpacking and stuff like that. It'd be a good thing to put a lot of small items in to keep them dry, like cooking stuff and hygiene stuff like that. This is your Glad Snack Collation snack size bags.